Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose why the window's not working. It's actually goes down, but it sometimes comes up, sometimes it does not. So I'm going to diagnose it and hopefully, well, I'm going to show you what happened and the reason why we actually have to switch this master switch for the driver side window. As you can see, this what it is right here. This is the power side, driver side of the power switch. It's they call master window switch. This is on the driver side. This is the one on the driver side. Basically, when you try to pull up the window, to close the window, like shut the window, actually doesn't work. But if you push down, I did it earlier, it actually goes down and the motor is moving. So therefore, we're expecting the motor, there's nothing wrong with the motor. So probably just a switch. All right, the tools you need is a flathead screwdriver and a star screwdriver. And that's how to take out the panel. So basically, step one, you would do this here. So you get a flathead and just pop the panel, like the plastic cover on it to access to the screws. So that's how you take that out. So basically you use the star-shaped screwdriver. I would doesn't say the size of this. I would recommend you to get a set of it. All right, there's no size for it at all, so just get a set. It's not too expensive, so just take the screw out. So once you remove the screws, one screw, that's all this panel is hold only one screw, that's it, and the rest is like a plastic clip. So just start from here and just take this out, this part of it, and this whole thing should come out. All right, so just start from one corner and just take out the clip. You can see it's snapping all around. There you go. This clip here, and boom, that is it. So once you take out the whole panel, just disconnect the 3-wire harness. Okay, there's a clip here like this. Press on a clip and just yank a little bit, just like that. Squeeze and just pull. Sometimes it's hard. I'm getting tired. There's no strength. There you go. And this one here, there you go. And this is the whole panel. All right. Once we take out all the panel and disconnect the harness, we want to test out the new unit. So we want to make sure it works. Hopefully, my theory is correct because of this switch. I actually, if you go to like a dealer or something, I would say about $100 minimum, but instead I went to the junkyard. So why not? I paid 35 bucks. It's an old car, why not save some money? Junkyard, 35 bucks, hopefully it'll work. And they have a 30 days warranty on it. So let's try it out, hopefully it'll work. All right, that's what I want to show you real quick. Also, there's two slot for it, for the harness. So basically, this one here is for the side mirror, view mirror, and this is for the front, and this for the back windows, front and the back. And you can see it's this for the mirror, and this for the two front and the back. So that's what it looked like. I'm gonna show you that first before I test it out for you. All right, let's go for it. So I just want to show you, we're just connecting the wire harness right now. This one here is for the side mirror harness, and this one the front. Actually, they actually have different shape also, like a big shape. So which is the front, snap on like that, and this here is the back. So it's just the shape of it. This is smaller for the back, the big is bigger for the front. So just, and that's all you need to do. Front, back. Alright, all you need is turn the key to the accessory mode and then press out the window. Fingers crossed, should work, right? Here's the front. Yes! perfect. This goes down and up, so we're good. All right. Basically, before we put the new one in, the control, we just take out the insulation. Just the glue, basically. Adhesive. That's it right there. All right. The next step you want to pick out is this. Remove the door this cover here for the door handle. And to do that, you gotta take out like 6 screws in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should not matter which one you do first. I just want to do on the left to the right. So the 6 screws. 2 screwdrivers, fine. All right. Once you remove the 6 screws, as you can see, it was just dropped on the ground. So we'll just remove it just like that. Okay. Just the screws holding it up. Well, the reason you want to remove the door handle is actually part of the door handle is covering the switch unit. So basically just like that. So you gotta remove that out to lift this up. Okay, that's the reason why we move this door handle out. So to remove the panel, switch panel, you just get a flathead. Just go take out the clip. It's by a plastic clips anyway. So that's all you can do. And remove it just like that. There you go, just like that. So next step you want to do is remove the switch from the panel, which is held by these clips right here. 1, 2, 3, and 3 on the other side also. So what you want to do is just like push this part here forward, and then you put a wedge, like a flathead, put it there while you're pushing it. So twist a little bit, and put pressure there. There you go, like that. And then do the same thing. You can see it came out. Just make sure it doesn't snap back in. Just push up a little bit more. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, on the other side, so we do the same thing. Make sure the other side doesn't snap back into the slot. So push forward and then just make it like that. Nice and easy. Same with over here. Push forward and just open it up and ba-boom. Okay, next step, I want you to take out the old one and then replace the new one, which is the clip going into this hole over here. There's 6 of them. So basically make sure this is the front, which is going toward the front, okay? The bigger, and you just put it in, just like that. Locked in. And you are done. There you go, the clip is actually snapped basically, and now it's hold in place, so we're good. So once you put the switch to the panel, you just put it back into the panel here. There's a slot for it. This is the front, this is for the back, so just put it like that. As you can see, this here stays here like that, and snapped it like that. All right, now we can install the door handle panel. Basically just slap it on here like that, but make sure you actually put this here first with the switch, because this gotta go over the part of the switch, just like that. And then go to the back, put all 6 screws back in, and that should be okay. Should be all set. So 6 screws here. 1. Let me tighten this one here first. Put it in place. I can do the rest. There. Do it with your hand first, but you can align the hole before you tighten it. That's what I'm doing. 4. There's 2 more here in the back. This is a backyard mechanic, people. Not probably at a dress right now, but it's very hot. It's my backyard, so it's okay. As long as you can see the video and help you out, I'm happy enough. The way I look, it's okay. But any comments, let me know. You can comment below. Check out my video on the corner. All right. And that's it. That's 2.6. That is how you install it. Yeah, once you put it, just put the insulation back. That's all. Just to help out. That's all it is. It's for. You don't really need it, but why not? Just use it. It's already there. There we go. That. All right. Before you install the screws back in, you want to do the plug in the wire harness back. So this is the. You can see there's a white one on there, and then there's two orange. So the orange is for the windows, and this is for the rear side view mirror window. Okay, all you do is just slap it back on, like snap it, right? Just like that. Also, there's a bigger one, so that's to the front, and the small one to the back, all right? So I'm doing. So I'll just do the front first. Snap it back on, just like that, and then the back. Let me see. Just like that. Okay, all three. All right, once you put the harness back in, and you just align the clip there. See all these clips? Like just 8, 9 of them. So align it and just snap it back on. This is plastic clips. Okay, just like that. Align. Tap it, and that is it for that. I can see it's not coming out at all. Okay, here's the last screw here. There's a small cover, plastic cover. But the thing here actually go to the hole, just to put in places like that, and then you put the screws in with the star shape. I'm blocking it, but there's barely any space here. So put it in a little bit. And then you use the star, screw it in. You know what? Leave this here for now. There you go. Okay, once you put the screws in, just put this plastic clip here, put through the hole, and then that is all you do. And snap it in. You are done. All right. Okay, test out again. Turn the key to accessory. That, and then try the window. Woo! Look at that. All the way down and all the way up. So it was the switch. All right, thank you for watching Tech Time with you guys. And that is how you replace a master window switch on the driver's side. It was easy. Just check out my videos, step by step, screws and all. It's very detailed. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not haven't subscribed yet, or share with your friends, or check out my other videos on the top. And it's Tech Time with T. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to test it out for you just in case. I did it earlier too. The window should work pretty good. You can see. Perfect. Because normally it just goes down, doesn't come back up. So just like that. And now it's nice and easy to come up. So this is my this is the Dodge Caliber 2010. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.